Hello everybody, I'm Dr. T. Biju Singh, a gynecologist working with Bhagirathi Neo-to Women Childcare Center. And today I'm going to talk about natural childbirth, normal delivery. Now a lot of people are opting for C-section these days. I wonder why, and probably it's because they want to escape the pain. A lot of people also believe that C-section is safer than a normal delivery. But my dear, the truth is actually natural childbirth is safer than a C-section. So people want to escape the pain, and I'll talk about how one can face that pain and overcome that pain. But before that, you must understand that for a normal delivery, you need the 4 P's. The first P is the passenger, the baby's head. The baby has to negotiate through the second P, which is the passage, the bony muscular structures. The third P, which is the uterine powers, the contractions, has to push the baby down outwards. And the fourth P, which is most important, is patience. We all have to have patience. And I think a lot of us run out of patience, and that's why we land up with C-sections. Now, when I ask my patients about the pain, they tell me that, oh, doctor, it isn't all that bad. I thought it's going to be a nightmare. But a lot of them can handle it if they're mentally prepared. Breathing exercises, Lamaze techniques, prenatal classes we regularly advise our patients to attend. We have painkillers. You can talk your way out of it. You can distract yourself. I remember one patient of mine who said, oh my God, my itching was unbearable. That was just a contraction. The epidural that we give to some of our patients is an injection that you give at the back, and your pain is practically nil. We advise that one should establish labor, and we have done walking epidurals where patients are in labor, have an epidural catheter to the back, and they're walking with their husband hand in hand. And I'll send some videos across of patients that we've done in Bhagirathi Neo-to where they're having a walking epidural and they've delivered very comfortably. So cesarean section and natural childbirth. Normal delivery definitely has certain advantages. The baby is passing through the passage, facing the good and the bad bacteria, and that helps in building up better immunity. So normal delivery babies have better immunity. Further, the compression on the chest takes out all those fluid that's accumulated in the baby's lung, and they have better respiration. We also believe that the proteins in the brain, there's some good proteins which are enhanced, and that helps in better neurological development in babies who've had a natural childbirth. Then of course, breastfeeding and emotional bonding. People who had a natural childbirth definitely have better breastfeeding and probably better emotional bonding with their offspring. We do know that the anesthetic complications, surgical complications are much, much lesser with a normal delivery. Look at recovery. You're up and about in a jiffy, whereas in a C-section, you'll have to wait for minimum 6 months before you can do any strenuous formal activity. In a normal delivery, within 1 or 2 days, you're out of the hospital and you're back to normal. You're back in shape. You can do all forms of exercises. So my dear young ladies, I think you should go back and think about it as to what mode of delivery you should choose. It's always better to stay natural. It's always better to be closer to Mother Nature. Think about it. All the best.